I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
Look at that bad boy right there. Ooh-wee. Look at that. You guys always see the gas part of my channel. You guys never get to see the grips part because the all of the bike events and stuff have been canceled for this year and most likely next year because of the COVID-19 issue or whatever. So I can't show y'all none of the events, so I decided to do something different and start showing you guys what we see every day at work. So this is the 2021 Road Glide Special. Look at that bad boy. Look at that 117 motor on there. That's real nice. I like that color. That's called bronze armor. Ooh, that is bad. Look at that fender. Nasty. Look at the wheels, man. Look at that. Look at that hub on there. Look how big that hub is. The way the spokes are set up, man. Look at that. Ooh, killing it. Like I say, that's a bronze armor color, 117 cubic inch motor. It comes with the Rockford Fosgate system already in the saddlebags. Matter of fact, you can see it says Rockford Fosgate right there. It's just a nasty bike. Let me cut it on, see how it sounds. That's a bad boy right there. All it needs is some more pipes on it because it is kind of quiet. Around here we believe in loud because loud is safety. So it definitely needs some more pipes. In my opinion, throw some 8-hangers on that bad boy and you're good to go. But that's me because I do 8-hangers and nothing else. Anyway, that is the 2021 Road Glide Special. Now it's time to go to the gun range and release some ruthless aggression. So without any further ado, let's get it. Alright guys, first gun that we're going to show today. This is Springfield Armory XDM9 Venom, chambered in 9mm. You knocked the sign off of that. Target off. Good job, babe. Okay, and we're clear. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking today because I'm still kind of pissed at what happened over this last week out here in Texas with us freezing our asses off. So all I wanted to do was come out here and release a lot of stress and ruthless aggression. So forgive me if I do sound a little bit different, but I don't even care. But yeah, this is Springfield Armory XDM9 chambered in 9mm. It does have a polymer frame. It has the Venom red dot on it. The red, red tritium sight, melanite finish. It carries 18 in the magazine, 1 in the head, 19 total. It was a great gun. I like shooting it. It was fun, man. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Fun shooter. You know, another Springfield from Springfield Armory. You know, they make great stuff. So yeah. Springfield Armory XDM9 Venom, chambered in 9mm, except no substitute. This is the 6 Hour P938, chambered in 9mm. Okay, this is one from my own personal collection. I think you guys may have seen it before. I had it on my very first video, and I haven't had it on since then. But this is my favorite EDC carry. About 4 of them, but this one here is my favorite. Even though it is a single stack, I don't care. It's just I just love this gun. It's a little bit larger than the P238, but I mean, there's nothing like a gun this small that looks like a 1911, hammer fired, of course. This one carries 6 in the magazine, 1 in the head, 7 altogether if you have an extended magazine. But this one, I'm finna go get some work done on it. I think I'm gonna get the slide done and gold plating. Just do a little, a couple of, Gucci works to this thing, so. Enough said. 6 Hour P938, chambered in 9mm, except no substitute. All right, guys, next up. Okay, this is the Mossberg 590 Shockwave, chambered in 12 gauge. Okay, we're clear. I have one kind of like this, except it's the TAC 14. I used to think that was a Shockwave, but nope, this is actually the Shockwave. They look almost just alike. This one does have the handle on it. I like that, the strap right here. Man, that's great. This thing is what? Has a 14.5 inch barrel, 26.5 inches overall, with a 5-round tubular magazine. One thing I don't like about this is the safety that's right here. I'd rather it be on the side than right on top right there, because every time you shoot it, that thing hits my hand. So I didn't care for that, but this thing is a beast, man. Just like the TAC 14, I love it. As you know, I love shotguns. So yeah, man, the Mossberg 590 Shockwave. I'm not going to talk too much, like I said today, but yeah, I love this gun, man. The Shockwave, except no substitutes. All right, guys. Last but not least, gun of the day is This is the Ruger Mark IV, and it is chambered in 22 long rifle. Okay, when this gun first came out, I could care less. You know, I guess because I'm just not a 22 long rifle fan, don't care. But I finally got the opportunity to shoot this thing, and it was the most fun I've had. You know, I mean, this thing was flawless. You know, it's a great shooter for the beginner, or if you just want to have fun, you know, plinking or something like that, man. It's just great, man. I loved it. The grip and everything, you know, as you see, it's been changed from steel to polymer. It's been given that 1911 look almost. You know, I love that. I like the tubular barrel, you know. It was just a lot of fun. Ambidextrous safety on it. This one does have the silencer, as you see. I would love to have one of these in my collection, man. Matter of fact, after shooting this, I may be looking to invest in one just to be able to have fun with it sometime, man. These things come in all different colors. As you see, this one has a Picatinny rail. You know, the whole silencer being on there made it even that much more fun, you know. So great shooter, you know, for a beginner or anything, just to have, like I say, have fun with, or, you know, go plinking or whatever. So the Ruger Mark IV in 22 long rifle, except no substitute. And we're done once again. Thank you guys, that's, you know, that always watch. As always, I appreciate it. Shout out to Republic Harley Davidson, shout out to Texas Gun Club, and shout out to Body by Black. Thank you for all the support that you give me, and like I say to the public, I thank you for always watching me and supporting me, subscribing, you know, your comments. It's great. It's a beautiful thing. Like I always say, let's just keep going, because without you, there is no me. All right, on that note, love yourself, love each other. Peace.